Why, if this Mercedes bus won't start? Why is it not going to start, this Mercedes bus? Come on, please. I'm turning the key, and that is not starting. It's not the battery. It better not be the battery. Aftermarket stereo, that wasn't the battery. Is that a gear? Why not going to start? No, it's not going to start now. Let's turn off the key. Turn off all the lights. I'll try one more thing. Turn off the mouthpiece, put the mouthpiece back on. How do you see this, guys? Hopefully this bus will start, guys. Yes, hope this bus will start. Attempt number 1. This will be the third and final attempt to start this city bus up. Oh, why are they not going to start? Why are they not starting? All the lights are turned off. All the lights are turned off. All the fans are turned off. That's all turned off. Let's get one more shot. One more turn on the key. Oh, what? Why is the battery not gonna start in the vehicle? Why is it not starting? It's not starting? What do you mean it's not starting? The dashboard is working okay. Yeah, the dashboard is working. The dashboard is showing very, very, very high mileage. That's the mileage here for you. That's the mileage on the dashboard. Horn, windscreen wipers, ignition kit. Well, let's try one more time. Start this ignition up. It's not gonna start. I'm gonna stop doing this video. No. The battery's too dead. Let me see if we can turn the weather up until it starts. It starts up. I don't know. Let's try it again then. It's minus 66 degrees, it starts now. Our air's completely dead. Minus 20 degrees. No, it's not gonna start. It is not gonna. Everything can start. Let's go and try and charge up the battery. That starts fine. Put it on -1 out. Ignition on. And flip the key. Full tank of diesel, full tank of AdBlue. Like that. This bus is not going to start for some reason. No. I know the interior light works. The battery is completely dead then. Well, I don't know why the battery's completely dead. So the Mercedes, it should start. Why wouldn't it start? No, guys, it's not gonna start. I'm gonna stop the video here. No, it's not gonna start. It's not going to start. That is the mileage for you guys, for your bus lovers. The mileage. Just the dashboard. Is your computer okay? The dashboard okay? The pull down blind works. I'm not gonna demonstrate that. That's it.